Alright, so this is about parts of speech and prepositions. In the lesson agenda, we're going to see motivational activity, prepositions, prepositions of time, prepositions of place, prepositions of directions. The lesson objective here, the first one is to define the meaning of a preposition, provide various examples of sentences using preposition properly, and differentiate the use of prepositions of time, place, and direction. We can try this before you move to the next slide. Describe the preposition of the following on the road map. We can see here bench, supermarket, restaurant, hospital, street light, and street sign. Later, you can try this after we have discussed about the material. Today, we are focusing about preposition. Preposition, the definition. Preposition is a word that shows the connection between a noun or pronoun and another word in a sentence. They describe the relationship in terms of sequence, space, and logic. For example, the apple is on the table. The preposition on indicates the connection between apple and table. She took notes during the meeting. The preposition during indicates the connection between notes and meeting. Example of prepositions. Here are so many words. First one is aside, as, away, above, about, across, ago, beyond, before, despite, from, for, henge, here, in, inside, on, opposite, out, of, per, toward, through, and with. And actually there are so many more. Preposition of time. Preposition of time show the relationship of time between the noun and the other parts of a sentence. Example: he bought a car last year. The preposition last indicates the time connection between the subject and the act of buying a car. Here we see school starts on Monday. So here the preposition on indicates the school and a day. We will arrive at noon. Her birthday is in May. She'll be here by 7 p.m. You guys can try to understand these sentences. Preposition of place. A preposition of place is a preposition that is used to describe the location of something or someone. Example: I am at home. The preposition at indicates the location of the subject. And the next, you guys can try to see it. She is in the garden. She knocked at the door. The bill is in my wallet. He left his phone on the table. Now let's move on. Prepositions of directions. Preposition of direction describe how a person or thing moves or is directed with respect to other people and things. Examples: Samira went to the mall. The preposition to shows the movement of the subject from one place to another. Another example is the restaurant is across the bank. She came home from school. She left for the Philippines. He's walking towards me. Let's try this. You guys can try this and then you can leave it in a comment. Okay, from the material that we have discussed, do you guys have questions? If you guys have questions, please have no doubt to leave a comment and you can ask. That's it for today. Thank you for listening. Have a great day.